Dear students, welcome to the second year 4th sem class. Today is the third class on C programming. So first let us revise what we studied in the last class. What we studied in the last class? Basic structure of the C program, programming style, execution of the C program and steps to learn the C program. Okay, these are the points you studied. In today's class, you are going to study about the C tokens. Next, what are the identifiers and the keywords? Let us begin with the previous class. Just what is this? This is the process of the learning English language, and just I am compared this process of learning the English language with the C program. Okay. So here what I told here, first we are studying the ABCD of the C language. So what are the ABCD of the C language? C tokens, keywords and identifiers are the ABCD of the C language. Okay. Let us learn one by one. What do you mean by C tokens? C tokens. Tokens is nothing but what? Here the smallest individual unit are the words and the punctuation marks in the program are called the tokens. Okay, any one smallest individual unit in the C program is nothing but what? The C tokens. That means what? C program is divided into smallest individual units. That smallest individual units are called the C tokens. Then what are that C tokens? Here we are using the words called strings. Strings is nothing but what? The set of characters is nothing but the strings. But totally that string is called a one C token. Next is the identifiers, keywords, constants, operators, special symbols. These are all called the C tokens. Okay, in detail we are studying one by one. First, study the C program elements. Afterwards, we are going to study one by one C tokens. What do you mean by the C programming elements? That means what are the things you required for writing the C program? What are the things I required to write the C program? First one is data. What do you mean by data? Data is nothing but what? Data is nothing but the raw fact which we feed to the computer. Okay, just you think that I am writing the program for the addition of two numbers. What are the two numbers I want to add? 4 and 2. Here what happens? This 4 and 2 is called the data to the computer. Okay, raw fact which we feed to the computer is nothing but what? This is called what? Your data. Okay, and next what you need? Information. Output or the processed data. Okay, that means you have to give the information to the computer and it should process the data. Okay, that also we need. And next, C is designed with the kinds of data consisting of characters, strings, numbers to process, get output or information. Okay, that means what they want to tell means C is nothing but it is a one kind of the program. Here we are giving data consisting of data, maybe the characters, strings, numbers to process and get the output or the information. Actually, what I told, only I have taken the number. You don't think that C is going to accept only the numbers. It is going to accept the characters, strings, numbers, and they are going to process that, and it is going to give you the output or whatever the information we want, that is given by the C language. Okay, so that is why what happens, C provides a rich set of data types, such as we are going to use integer, character, floating point, double, long double, etc. Okay, it has a rich set of the data types, operators. That is why C is a one popular language. Okay. Next, so what we required means, so till now we have studied that it is required the data, and we understood we have to give the instructions, and another one thing we understood that data is nothing but it may be the string, or it may be the numbers, or it may be the characters. Okay. That means which type of the characters you can give for the C language. Okay. A character denotes any letter. Character is nothing but what? What you can see, what you can give to the computer, what you can use in your program. It may be the letter, it may be the digits, or it may be the punctuation mark, or any other sign. Okay, so here also we are telling that you can use the letters. Letters is nothing but which letter you can use? You can use the letters. Uppercase letter also you can use, and lowercase letter also you can use. But be careful in the C program that it is a case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitive? Means it is going to differentiate the capital way A with the small a. This is going to differentiate the capital A with the small a. And remember that always you have to write the C program in the small letter. In the program you can use the capital letters also, small letters also, but writing the C program is with the small letter. Okay, next let us come to the digits. Here they are saying that you can use the digits. What type of the digits you can use? All the numbers from 0 to 9 you can use. Okay, next. What do you mean by the punctuation mark or any other signs is nothing but the special characters also you can use. As in blank also you can use, semicolon and the colon, plus, minus, star, opening brace, exclamation mark. So these all are the special characters you can use in the C program. Okay. Let us move to the identifiers. Okay, till now what you have studied? What are the elements required for writing the C program? Okay, and how can you write the C program? Okay, and now let us begin with the identifiers. What do you mean by the identifiers? Identifiers are the names given to various programming elements, such as variables, arrays, structure, and the functions. Identifiers is nothing but that is the name, one name given to the various programming elements such as variables, array, structures and the functions. Here I want to clarify you one thing. Identifier is nothing but it is made up of letters, digits and underscores. An identifier may start with either alphabet or the underscore. Okay, I told you no one point I want to tell you. So just you remember, I think I have explained you the program while writing the structure of C program. That is, I have taken it as a int a comma b comma c. Okay, here identifier is nothing but what means given to the various programming elements. Till now we studied the about the programming elements. What are the programming elements you can take? Such as variables. Okay, here A, B, C are called the variables. Okay, so whatever you are giving these names, no, these are called the identifiers. Okay, next you are going to study the array structure and functions in the next classes. For each and everything you are going to give the names, then they are called the identifiers. Okay, and next in the second sentence what I want to tell you means the identifier is nothing but what it can contain you should know, no? That is, it is made up of letters, digits, underscore. Okay, that means which type of the identifier or how you are going to write this. It may be the any characters, letters, digits or underscore characters. Okay, so here I have taken ABC. You can say that it is A1 or it is B1. And next I want to write it as add also A double D. Okay, these are all called what your identifiers. But some rules are there. That rules you have to remember and you have to write the identifiers. An identifier may start with either alphabet or the underscore. It is going to start with the alphabets or you can use the underscore A comma underscore B, like that also you can use. Next, some rules are there that also we should study. That is very important because for each and every program you are going to declare the identifiers. That is why you should know the rules for the identifier. First character must be an alphabet or the underscore. That means you cannot use the numbers. Okay. Must consist of only letters, digits or underscores. Okay. Till now in the elements of the programs you studied which type of the letters, digits and underscore is nothing but underscore only. You can use only that must be used for the identifier. Okay. And next one what happens, only first 31 characters are significant. That means up to 31 characters you can take. Next important point is you cannot use the keyword as an identifier. Okay, what is keyword? What are the keywords? What is that you are going to study in the next slide. Okay, but presently in the rules of identifier you should know you cannot use a keyword as an identifier and must not contain white spaces. Okay, white space also you are going to study. You cannot use the white spaces as a name of the identifier. Okay, these are what your some rules. According to these rules only you are going to write the identifiers. Next, let us study the keywords. What are the keywords means? Keywords are the words that meanings cannot be changed by the user. Or you can say that keywords are the reserved words. Okay, that is actually written by the manufacturer. Manufacturer is nothing but here who wrote the CNO, he has written the keywords. Keywords are the reserved words that cannot be changed by the user. You cannot change the meaning of that or the spelling of that keywords. It is very, very, very important. And just now in the previous slide, you studied that these keywords cannot be taken as a identifiers. Okay, let us study this is the actually till now what I told, that is also the definition and proper definition also you can see here. Keywords are the basic building blocks of the C program statements. And next, keywords have predefined fixed meanings. What I told, the same thing here I have mentioned. Keywords are the basic building blocks of the C program statements. Without the keyword, you cannot write the C program. Okay? Keywords have a predefined fixed meaning. What I told already, it is designed and it is defined. Okay, that is why we are saying that keywords have a predefined fixed meanings. And in the C language, there are 32 keywords are there. How many keywords are there? 32 keywords are there in the C language. Every C word is classified as either keyword or an identifier. Okay, all the keywords must be written in lowercase letter. I already told actually the writing the C program is in the lowercase letter. But sometimes I think whenever you are writing the strings names, then we are using the capital. But you cannot use the keyword name as a capital letter. Always you should use the lowercase letter. Okay, let us revise. What do you mean by the keywords is nothing but remember that they are the reserved words. The meanings cannot changed by the user, meanings and the spellings. Okay, whenever you are using the keywords, you should be written in lowercase letter. There are 32 keywords in the C language and they are the basic building blocks of the C program. You should remember this. Here I have given the 32 keywords. Okay. Sorry, here it is actually while typing, it is came as an capital letter. So just you don't confuse. Just now madam told you have to write in. It should be written in lowercase only. Okay. So even though I have changed that, but it is not saved. Okay, but you should remember that it should be in lowercase letter only. These are all what your keywords. There are the 32 keywords are there. Okay, so here you are little bit familiar with this int. Okay, I have taken in the first program. Int is nothing but what? It is a keyword. I have taken in first program. Okay, similarly break, else, long, switch, auto. Here also the A is capital. But remember that this is wrong. You have to take the small only. Struct, else, continue, unsigned, short, float, constant, union. Okay, these are all the 32 if, do. Okay, these are the 32 keywords are there. This is what your reference books I am using for the preparation of this PPT, and this is what my concern about your safety. And once again, this is also my concern about your study. Please go through again for your better understanding. If you have any doubts, put the doubts in the Telegram group or the comment box. Okay, see you in the next video.